Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Adventure is still a part of your life. It just has a little different meaning now, and this Grand Caravan is the perfect tool for it. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super Stow and Go, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.